So I walked up on this job, and just down in the basement, and I'm walking around, and I see this towel right here stuck in the wall here. And I'm thinking, what in the world is this towel doing? That doesn't make any sense. It's inside the wall, right? It's not outside or anything. So what are they doing? So I go a little bit further, and bang! This is what I found. It's a hydrant. It's a water faucet inside of the basement, behind the wall, not knowing what the world this is, why it is. But you know why they put the rag on? Because it was leaking right here. It was leaking. They put the rag on it thinking that's going to fix it till it be dry. But you think, okay, that's just one time. Troy, you just see one time. People don't really do that, do they? Yeah, they do. It just gets better. And look at this. They stuck another rag into a vent cover coming outside. That's not for water leaks. So why do they do that? Well, I really don't know why, unless they think they're trying to stop some animals or something from getting into it. But, there you go. Or maybe they just need a washcloth when they're out there doing yard work, and they just need to reach down there and get something. But there it is, right there. So let's move on to the next one here, because people just love their rags. All right. An old radiator. Remember them old radiators that used to be stuck in the house? Now, the folks out there on the East Coast, or West Coast, I'm sorry, you might not understand how some of them old heating radiators work. They're for heating, or water goes through them. But us in the Midwest and on the South and on the East Coast, we all know what this is. But look at this. They'd had a leak, and they just stuck that rag around it, and that's how they stopped the leak until they turned the water off for springtime. So... and you can see it didn't work. You can see the water stains, but I get a cheap fix. You think, okay, that's good. Was anything else? Look at this. They literally stuck this rag right on here. They got rags on here. It looks like a toilet paper holder down here, don't it? I don't know what that was supposed to represent, but they got this towel, and they got the towel wrapped around in here, and just leaking like a sieve. You can see the rot all over the place. But nope, we got to have that, because that's how we fix the leaks. It's cheaper than a plumb. I don't know, but that's what I found. This is some of what we find when we're out here looking. Oh, we got another one here, and here we go. Another vent. And this is going to the outside. Now, this here is a vent that actually I kind of understand, but I don't understand why they put a washcloth inside of it instead of like insulation or something to block it off. But they stuck a rag in it. And there it is. Either that, after they got done doing the laundry. Maybe they just had something extra. Stick it in the vent. The wife will never know. She'll never figure it out. But there it is. And look at that. I love the aluminum foil. So when I first saw that, I didn't even see the rag. I saw that aluminum foil. And I'm thinking to myself, oh, I don't quite understand all the aluminum foil. What's going on? Then I'm thinking, meth head. We got us a meth head. And nobody's can be that stupid to put a cloth in there but a meth head. So I don't know what we'd call that, but stupid. It's stupid. Oh, it was great. So, but you think, oh, well, they're the only ones that do that. Oh, we got us another nut meth head. Look at this. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil stuck in through here. Not a rag. Should be a rag. I guess not foil, huh? At least that would be something. But look here. This is another. But look at this quart. They literally are using the same chase, the same line for my water line coming through here for my electric. So this is my electric line running in and out of here. Honestly, you can't make this up. And I don't even know who was the genius that thought of that. But, I guess, hey, use the openings that what you got. There it is. So aluminum foil, extension cord coming up out of it. And you can see right here, you can see that crack right here. You can see that's been leaking for a long time. Probably still leaking. We had to paint the wall to try to hide it. Got a little bit of black mold going up in here. But, it just goes to show aluminum foil does not necessarily work. All right, so let's go on here to, here we go. We got another one. Oh, hey, hon, where'd you put my underwear? Oh, I stuck them in the floor joist up there for you, dear. Well, look at that. Oh, they're gross. I didn't even want to touch them things. They look nasty. And then you got the washcloth next to it. So I got my boxer shorts. I got my washcloth. I guarantee you, if a mouse ate that, he'd probably die for sure. Ugh, gosh. But there it is. You know, you can't make it up. There it is right there. Underwear. Underwear. I think I might have showed some versions of this with other underwear before and other stupid contractor awards. But yeah, there it is. But let me show you one more here. It kind of got out of context a little bit, but this is kind of just a silly one. Had nothing to do with rags, but it was just something stupid that I had to throw in here. And a soda can. Now, honestly, at first it looks pretty stupid, and it is. And thank goodness it wasn't a Bud Light can, right? We'd have been in big trouble if we saw that. But it's a Pepsi can. And what they do, they put that right there so as that brace my water line up. So if it starts banging, it gives us something to rest upon. But look at that, an old soda can. I don't know. You know, there it is. What do you say? We make a note of it, but can you actually say it's wrong or just stupid? You have to read the report to find out. Anyway, there you go. That some of this nutty stuff we see with rags and stuff like that. You know, people. I will have to say this: Yankee ingenuity. You got hats off to that. At least somebody was thinking. And in this world today, somebody thinking is better than what we see a lot of times. Most people don't even give it that much thought. But I did love the boxers, didn't you?